Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to remove 2016 Ram 1500 Taillight. Begin by parking on level ground and disconnecting the negative battery terminal for safety. Next, open the tailgate and remove the interior access panel to expose the tail light fasteners. Keep a tray for bolts and label connectors as you go. Work with steady pressure to avoid cracking the lens and set parts aside in order for reinstallation. Start by removing the visible bolts with the correct socket and place them in a tray. Then use a plastic trim tool to carefully separate the tail light housing from the body, working around the edges to avoid paint damage. Once the housing is loose, press the locking tab on the electrical connector and pull it straight out. Inspect the wiring and socket for corrosion before removing the housing completely and setting it on a clean surface. With the housing removed, twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to remove and replace the bulb as needed. Reconnect the electrical connector and briefly reconnect the battery to test the new bulbs before final assembly. Once function is confirmed, reinstall the housing by aligning the tabs, pushing it into place, and tightening the bolts evenly to the proper snugness. Reinstall the interior access panel and reconnect the negative battery terminal to finish the job securely.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.